Worried you might say the wrong thing? Don't be. There's actually a super simple key to getting it right.
So, let's start with the one word that is going to be your best friend, son.
What is son? Well, think of it like Mr., Mrs., or Ms. You just add it to the end of a name.
And here's why it's so great. It works for pretty much anyone. It's incredibly convenient.
So here's the bottom line. If you are ever in doubt, just use son. It's always your safest bet.
Okay, so you know to use son, but which name does it actually go on? First name or last name?
For Japanese names, you'll usually use their family name. For foreigners, it's just whatever name they prefer.
Yeah, using the family name is really standard in Japan, especially in more formal settings like work.
All right, got san down? Let's level up and look at a few other common options.
First, we have kun. This is a casual one you'd use for guys who are your age or younger.
Then there's chan. This one is much more affectionate, usually for kids or very close friends.
And for a big step up in politeness, you've got sama. You'll hear this a lot with customers.
Okay, let's wrap all that up into a quick and easy cheat sheet for you. So there it is, 4 key honorifics, who they're for, and their level of formality. Simple.
So what does this all mean? It really shows how social context and respect are built right into the language.